So for basically a year or so now, I've been wanting to do some more product reviews. I thought it would be cool to try out a subscription box. If you Google subscription boxes though, you're gonna see about 2 gazillion options. Yes, that's a real number by the way. But after searching and searching, I finally decided on My Petal Club, a period subscription box. If you want to see what's in the box as much as I do, keep watching. Hey guys, I hope you're all still staying safe and as sane as possible during this crazy year. If you watched my last video, you saw my brand new setup that I'm still super excited about. It was a lot of work and I'm still getting the hang of everything, but I'm really loving it so far. It's been hard to actually record videos with everything going on, but I'm happy to be finally getting back to it. If you haven't subscribed yet, pretty please do so, and don't forget to like and comment. Also, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I'm so grateful that over 200 of you liked my weirdness enough that you decided to stick around. So for everyone out there that menstruates, you know how much periods suck. They're messy, they're painful, and they're still horrifically stigmatized by ignorant people that don't understand how the human body actually works. So in short, they're unpleasant. Period subscription boxes aim to make them at least slightly less unpleasant. You can find a wide variety of them on the internet in regards to what they include, but here's what My Petal Club says about their boxes. Sanitary pads, panty liners, and extras delivered to your door on time, every time, chemical-free, no toxins, no fragrances, and no allergens, plus free shipping. They also say that they donate pads to women's shelters locally and in other parts of the world, which is super awesome. They even have a philanthropy page where they give actual examples of them donating, which I love because it shows that they really are doing what they say they are. So as far as actually ordering, they do give you a few options to choose from. The first few options are for pad users. They give a light, regular, and heavy flow box that includes pads in the absorbency level you chose, panty liners, and a pampering kit. If you're more of a tampon user though, they do also offer that same box option with your choice of light, regular, or heavy, with organic tampons instead of pads. Since I am a tampon user and have a light flow, I went with the Organic Tampons Light Flow and Pampering Kit. From there, you can choose whether you want it month to month, or if you wanted to prepay for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months upfront, which does offer a slight discount over the 1-month option. I went with the month to month for mine, which had a price of $12.99. The next step was in choosing which day each month your box will be delivered. I was really happy to see this option because a lot of other period subscription boxes just have one delivery day each month, which might be nowhere near to your usual period start date. My period is pretty irregular, so it doesn't really matter so much to me, but when I ordered this box, I was just about to start my period, so I chose the earliest possible day and they shipped it out pretty much immediately, which I was really impressed by. I did find a code to use with this box, which saved me $1.29, making my total $11.70. In case this isn't obvious, I purchased this box with my own money, and all opinions provided here will be solely mine. So with all that out of the way, let's open the box. Alright, so the front says, Petal. No leaks, no odors, no worries. Alright. Okay, so when you open the box, oh, it's so pretty. It's nice and pretty pink and has a little sticker and packaging. Yeah. Alright. I hate to rip their little paper, it's so pretty, but ooh. Alright, so first thing I see is a cucumber collagen essence face mask. Sounds very nice and soothing. Oh, it says soothing right on there, so it's soothing. Next thing is women body warmer. What is this for? Oh, it's for relieving menstrual cramp pain. Nice. That's cool. I could definitely see getting some use out of that. There's candy in here. So then, there are tampons that you can see. It looks like these, they're organic. There's 2 different sizes. I'm guessing these are light and these are regular. I chose the light flow, so it gave me light and regular options. There are also some panty liners in here. And then this adorable little bag That is super cute. That has a couple different little mini candy bars. Ooh. Let's see, what is this? 100% organic argan oil for hair, skin, and nails. $50. And I don't know what this is. Is it a little candle or something? No, it smells really good though. And some cozy chamomile herbal tea. Nice. So that was what was in this box, and I think it seems pretty good. I mean, I am already done with my period by the time I'm filming this, so I'm not actually on my period right now, sorry. But with the tampons in here, I wouldn't have to buy any for, with the way my flow is, probably at least a couple of months actually. So let's say you get 8 of each type, so 8 of the light and 8 of the regular, and then 6 of the panty liners. Since I spent $11.70 or whatever I said on this, I feel like it's definitely worth that. I would pay this again. I think it's, for one, sending chocolate to your door with tampons. I mean, that's genius right there. I don't know who thought of that, but they're very smart people. I think that's really good. The face mask is nice because when you're on your period, you feel all just blech, and having a little something to pamper yourself, and that's nice. And knowing that women are gonna feel crummy and have cramps and blech, and having, I mean, with endometriosis, my periods sometimes get super painful, so having something to have heat to possibly relieve some pain, that definitely gets a 5-star rating for me. It's a good idea. I am not a tea drinker, but my husband is, so he would probably enjoy having some tea. I wish I liked tea. I tried, I really did, but I just can't do it. And I mean, the little argan oil thing, I hope I'm saying that right. I've always said it. If I'm saying that wrong, sorry. But yeah, that's cool. I use this in my hair a lot because my ends get dry and sad, and argan oil is good for that. So yeah, I do think that was worth the money. I think that it was packaged beautifully. Definitely nice packaging. Good job for them on that. I really think it was very nice. The tampons say that they are indeed organic, so that's exactly what they said. Everything that they said that would be in there is in there. It came very quickly with free shipping. I have zero problems with this, honestly. I just think it was a good option to purchase to make you feel a little less crummy on your period. Knowing that your period is, you know, coming and you're like, oh great, freaking period, but having something that,
yay, presents.
yeah, having presents is definitely like, well, it sucks because I'm in pain and it's gross and lame, but you know, hey, woo, chocolate and free stuff. Not free stuff because you get paid for it, but I mean, yeah, whatever, you know what I mean. It's just nice to have something that you can expect to come every month. I really like that you can choose the day that they ship out your order, because like some companies don't do that. So if your period's like on the 15th normally, for example, and they only ship out once a month on the 23rd or the 24th, by the time you get it, your period's probably going to be over and you're gonna have to, save the box until the next month? I don't think so, because having a box that you don't get to open is terrible. And if you do open it, then you're gonna have chocolate staring at you that you wanna eat, and you're gonna eat it. We all know you're gonna eat it. I would eat it. You would eat it. Everyone would eat it. No one's saving chocolate for a month. It's not happening. So I really like that they let you choose your day, because a lot of companies seem like they don't. So that definitely got a big thumbs up from me. So that was my period subscription box from My Petal Club. What do you guys think about what I got? I feel like the price was reasonable, and I do think that I would order it again. Would you guys order a period subscription box? If you did, what would you like to see come in the box? Is there another subscription box or a product that you'd like to see me unbox and review here? If so, leave it in the comments below. If you want to connect with me before I post my next video, here are all the links to my social media goodies. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Wait! Come back! No, down! Stop! What'd I do? Can't see. It's so small. That was a lot of me staring intently like a creeper into the camera, but okay.
Well, I mean, the truth is the truth.
I have feelings, you know. That's hurtful.
You don't.
No, that's true. Oh, that's a lot of work. I'm waiting.
The one downside of recording in a basement. But I still say it's better than the vehicles going by. How was that again? Oh.
So, excuse me, I just totally burped.
You definitely have to use that.
It's a natural bodily function. The hair are.
Did you need me to hold on to that frame?
Alright. Hey, I didn't say glove this time either.
That's true.
Yeah, my petal glove.